welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana Janae here, back with another video. In today's video, we are going to do part 2 of my apartment hunting vlog. This is crazy. Yeah, I toured a whole bunch of units. If you guys haven't seen part 1, be sure to click up here or down below in the description box so you can see those units, because honestly, like, all of those were really nice. But in this video, y'all, this first one I'm about to show you guys, it's like still on my mind today. It's probably one of the nicest apartments I've ever seen in the Chicago area in my life. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below as you're watching this video and let me know which of these units is your favorite. I already know it's gonna be either this first one or the last one. The last one, anyway, okay, let's get into this. And just like in the first video, I'm not going to be sitting down the whole time. This is actually a vlog, but I'm here just to talk in between the vlog, to give you guys like my thoughts, like post touring, you know what I mean? Because like now that I've been able to actually like sit on these things, I actually have like real thoughts, not just mush. But I did do a lot of talking in my vlog, so let's roll the film. Can someone tell me why every time I fall in love, it seems to be at the wrong time? All right, y'all, we made it. This place, I'm nervous that I'm gonna love this place, and it's just gonna make things even more complicated. But this is the best location out of everywhere that we've looked. This place is the best location, has beautiful views of the city. I think it has 2 or 1 month free. This is crazy. Am I gonna be a city girl, y'all? Am I really gonna be a city girl? Okay, let's go. You walked into my life, and I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up, and there she was, your arms all cute and stuff. You got someone who signs freaking up. Why does my heart attract over me? Wanting someone that I can't have, can't take it back, this feeling. Why do you gotta be taken? You don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? You're surprised that you already got someone. She's lucky to be standing by your side. One look in your eyes, and I wish it could be different, because you and me have such a good vibe. Good vibe. But when she calls you up, gets all your love, get live, wish that there was us. And I'm trying, but you're someone she can trust, which makes me want you more, even then before I do anything to. Y'all, that first apartment, honestly, I probably would have chosen that apartment, but there was this one flaw. So rent was starting at about $1960 for that specific unit, and that was like a steal. That unit should have been over like $2,300. But here's how they get you. Parking was over $350 a month. That means I would be spending over $3,000 just to park my car. And I know a lot of people don't bring their cars when they move to major cities. I personally think I want my car, at least starting off, just because I'm not used to riding public transportation and things like that. So I don't want to just be like, oh my God, like I don't want to have like a panic attack, you know, when I realize. Anyway, yeah. So that honestly turned me off 100%. I did go into the tour knowing that because I did my research, but I'm like, I mean, if this unit blows me away enough, you know what I mean, I'll just have to pay $350. That's ridiculous. $350 a month for parking. I honestly probably would have had my car for 2 months and said it's not worth it and just returned it. I don't know. But yeah, that unit was absolutely gorgeous. The view of the city, amazing. Oh my goodness. And I could literally see my office. So I guess to give a little bit of context, my job, we have 2 offices. We have one in the suburbs, one downtown. I could literally see where I would be working. That was super nice. It would be like a quick like probably 10-minute max from leaving out of my building to the front door. Like scanning into my office, it would probably be 10 minutes. So I thought that was very, very impressive. I really, really like that. And that wasn't even a real 1-bedroom. I mean, it was, but it was more like a junior, like a convertible. It's considered a convertible. One day I will be in a unit like that. Just, I can't justify $350 a month for parking right now. That's, for me personally, that's a lot of money to spend on my car. And I will also say another con of that apartment were the amenities. I think they were okay, but you could tell it was definitely an older building, and I don't need the nicest and newest amenities, but I don't know. I just, they didn't blow me away like how some of the amenities from video 1 were, or even some of the amenities in this video, which you guys will see. But yeah, I just thought it was okay. But let me show you guys apartment number 2, which was not in a luxury building. It was actually a privately owned unit that I got through my relocation leasing agent, broker, real estate agent. I'm not sure exactly what the titling is, but y'all, this unit was nice and the area was nice. Go check it out.
Someone like you, there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? Why do you gotta be taken? Why do you gotta be taken? I'm just wishing you were mine. Just wishing you were mine. Can't keep holding on to these feelings inside.
It took a lot in me not to apply for that apartment. One, the neighborhood was full of $1 million homes. Who doesn't want to live in an area with $1 million? Like, that was so nice. I felt like I was in like the Upper East Side of New York. I felt like the area was like in the Lincoln Park area. Very, very nice area. That's a highly coveted area. Everyone who moves to Chicago usually wants to live in like Lincoln Park. Very, very nice. But oh, and then rent for that place was around like $19.50 again. So good rent price. Free parking. But some of the cons were definitely, again, I've never lived in an apartment. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to living in an apartment. So I didn't really want to do the whole landlord thing and have to deal with like people above and below me, and like safety was a question because literally like out my back door was somebody else's like bedroom door. It was just, that would be a big adjustment for me, and I've never had to deal with that. I think eventually like a year from now, once I have like this under my belt and I kind of like know myself and like living on my own a little bit better, I think that'd be okay. But just my first apartment, I just really wanted to kind of like play it safe. But I do kind of like wish I will probably copy that address, and like if I'm looking for apartments in the future, like look and see if it's available, because that was really, really nice. And the location, you honestly couldn't beat that location. Some of the cons though were in the bedroom, you guys saw closet was small, the window, you just saw a brick wall, and just some like other like little things I was just nitpicky about. Also, it was kind of far from the nearest metro station, so my commute to work, whether I was going, so my commute to work would be a little bit longer than I would want it to, especially like going out to the suburbs, to our headquarters. That would be really long. So I wanted to live somewhere that would be like within a 5-minute walk from a metro station, and that just wasn't it at all. But that was a really, really nice apartment. I was really toying with it, but just not for my first apartment, no. Now let's move on to apartment number 3. This one was beautiful. I think it was pretty brand new, like it was opened in like the past 2 years. Very, very nice unit. Let's watch unit number 3.
And I knew right then and there I wouldn't get you off my mind. But then I looked you up, and there she was, in your arms all cute and stuff. You got someone who sounds freaking up. Why does my heart attract over for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Or do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? You're surprised that you already got someone. She's lucky to be standing by your side. One look in your eyes, and I wish it could be different, because you and me have such a good vibe. Good vibe. But when sleep calls you up, gets all you love, get lavish, then there was us. And I'm trying, but you're someone she can trust, which makes me want you more. Even then, before I do anything to be yours, I can't ignore that you adore her. Why do you gotta be taken? Don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken?
Okay, so the apartments in this building were starting around 1900 as well, and I think my whole experience was a little ruined, partially our fault, because we showed up early to our tour. The tour guide wasn't ready, and the property manager was there, and he was like, he was just acting weird. But eventually he did give us a tour, and the place was definitely nice. It didn't knock me off of my feet. I didn't feel like I needed to apply for the place. Very, very nice amenities. I loved the rooftop deck, terrace, whatever you want to call it. You could see the city of Chicago, or you could see downtown Chicago from there. Like, really, really nice apartment, but it just wasn't for me, and the location just wasn't, you know, I wasn't crazy about the location, to be honest. Okay, and last but not least, this apartment was tied for second place when I was actually going through the process of applying for apartments. This is also in the suburbs, and I'm gonna let the apartments, not one apartment, three, he showed me three, he probably showed me five, but I'm gonna show y'all a few. I'm gonna let the apartments just speak for themselves.
Then I looked you up, and there she was, in your arms all cute and stuff. You got someone who signs freaking up. Why does my heart attract over me? Wanting someone that I can't have, can't take it back. This feeling. Why do you gotta be taken? You don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? You're surprised that you already got someone. She's lucky to be standing by your side. One look in your eyes, and I wish it could be different, because you and me have such a good vibe. Good vibe. But when sleep calls you up, gets all you love, get lavish, then there was us. And I'm trying, but you're someone she can trust, which makes me want you more. Even then, before I do anything to be yours, I can't ignore that you adore her. Why do you gotta be taken? Don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. Why do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? 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 I'm just wishing you were mine. Since I found the right one at the wrong time, I'm just wishing you were mine. Can't keep holding on to these feelings inside. Why do you gotta be taken?
Okay, y'all, so these apartments are honestly some of the nicest apartments that I've seen. Brand new, super friendly leasing agent, These units were unbelievable. It is still on my list today. If I don't decide to if I don't want to renew my lease with my new apartment that I'll be moving into, I will probably move to that one, even though it is outside of the city. But gorgeous, gorgeous. And they were offering 2 months free. So units starting, they were at $2,000. I think that price is honestly too high but the apartments are nice though. That's the hard thing. The location is also really nice, like very walkable, food, fun, things like that. But I just do not think apartments outside of the city should be $2,000. That's just my personal opinion. Gorgeous apartments, loved it. There really weren't many cons outside of like it just being so far from the city, and I don't think it was that close to a train station. So that was like another thing for me. And parking was also kind of expensive, but it was a really, really nice suburban area. I think I could definitely see myself there, just not in my first year. But who knows what the future will hold. I don't know. But y'all, let me know out of these 4 apartments, which one was your favorite? I'm very curious. If I had to pick out of these 4, it's definitely the first one. That one blew honestly everything out of the window when it came to views and just like functionality, and it was just a really, really nice place. But the amenities just were just like, you know what I mean? So guys, that's it for my apartment hunting vlogs. And you guys are probably like, okay, Ariane, which one did you choose? Which one did you choose? I'm actually not gonna tell you. Well, actually I didn't put it in here because I want you guys to be completely surprised when I actually go and do my empty apartment tour, which will be sometime in November. So stay tuned. Again, if you're not already subscribed, hit subscribe and turn on the post notifications because it is coming soon, and a lot of other moving content will be coming out soon, like furniture shopping, which has been making my head hurt. Like I actually have a headache right now. Decor shopping, like packing things up, all that great stuff. Stay tuned to all those vlogs because it's going to be really fun, and I'm so happy that I can like document these things and share it with you guys. But I'm very happy that the apartment search period is over. It was very, very tiring. Again, I would not suggest looking at 8 apartments. It makes your decisions too hard. But I will say that the place that I chose, I felt 100% confident in it. I'm so freaking excited to move in, even though I don't have any furniture right now except for my desk and my mirror. But I think everything is going to work out, hopefully sooner than later, but it's all going to work out. But thank you guys again for watching this video. I will see you next time. Peace and have a good week. Peace and have a good week.